Hey guys, so today we're going to be installing the AMOFFROAD JK to JL taillights. This is what they look like. They pretty much just look like JL stock taillights. So yeah, first step is to take off the stock JK taillights. All you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, so after you take out all of the factory bolts, all you're going to do is pull the taillight out. And then there's a little clip right here. You just gotta push it, and it comes right out. Things fine. Okay, so the next step is you're going to take this part off of the taillight, and there's 3 pieces of tape here. You're just gonna peel them off. Alright, so once that part's done, I did clean this because it was all dirty. Just make sure it's clean and it's dry so this sticks. And then next part, make sure you have it the right way. This bigger piece should be facing outwards. And then you have to line up the drill holes. Try to get it close up if you can. So make sure they're lined up before you stick it down. There's 2 little clips in here that you have to make sure are shoved in here. Otherwise, it's not gonna sit the right way. And there's another clip in here too that has to go in this little hole. So the next part, you're gonna grab one of these brackets from this little bag, and you're gonna grab 2 of these. And all you're gonna do is kind of just align this up within the bracket and put your screws in. Okay, so once that part's done, you have these little clips on. Then you have to attach them to this little piece of metal in there. So let's do that. So as you can see, that's where that little bracket goes. And then we're going to plug the taillight back in. So once you connected everything, all you're gonna do is just push all the wires inside. And then there's little clips right here that you just have to align together. That part's a little tricky. Okay, so I went to go to the final step and I realized I didn't have the right screws for this. That's because I put them in here, up there, when I was supposed to use the original long one. So I'm gonna fix that and then we'll finish it. Okay, so now for the final step, take those little screws. And all I gotta do, peel these off and test them out. This is the final result. I absolutely love them. If you want to purchase a set for your JK, I'll leave the link in the description below.